What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today may very well be the last vlog of the summer, which is so sad. But yeah, today is Friday, August 24th. School starts Monday, so I really only have this weekend before I am overcome with homework. That being said, I do have a couple of things to get done before school starts. So it is bright and early. It's 9 a.m. I'm outside of Target because I'm going to go in and get some school supplies. So that was kind of a fail. I only got to do 1 out of 3 errands. I went to Home Goods, but I didn't have my original card and they couldn't put it on a different card, and I didn't want a gift card, so sitting in my back seat, so I couldn't do that. But since REI opens at 10 and my sister's done at 10, I work in this area, so I'll just have to come back. Target was good though. I think I got everything that I needed. It's kind of loud here. So I thought I'd do a little like school supplies haul. Alright, first things I got are some notebooks. I was going to get like a 5 subject notebook, but it was like $6. These were 25 cents each. And like sometimes when I write, like the big spiral parts like get in my way, so I was like, eh, whatever. I'll just do 5 little ones again. So I got black, yellow, red, blue, and green. They did not have any cute colors, but oh well. Then I got 5 folders. They're just white, and usually like I do the color thing, so I'll like match up my notebook colors with my folder colors, but they only had white, and they were like 50 cents, so I didn't really want to go like anywhere else to get stuff. I got some new highlighters because I lent some to my sister like months ago and I never received them back, so I had to get new ones. And then I also got some new pencils. These are the best. They're the Bic Extra Strong. All of the other Bics break on me really easily, and I had these last year and I really liked them. And then I got a UC shirt. I love this. It's a 2X though, so like it's gonna be big, but like with leggings or even like as a sleep shirt or a lounge shirt. I thought it was really cute, and I don't have a red one. Alright, so we're back home now and I'm currently outside. It's absolutely beautiful out right now. It's about 75. The sun is shining, which feels so good. I haven't been in the sun like this in probably over a month. I also have my book to read. It's Missing Presumed by Susie Signer. I've been reading this for a while, but it is so good. It's like a British mystery. Like this girl goes missing, so they're trying to figure out like what happened and who did it. So I'm gonna read that for a little while. It's about 10:45 and I actually babysit at 12, but I think I'm just gonna take the girls to the pool because, well, I want to be at the pool and it's easier to babysit when they're at the pool and they're occupied, and it's just like too nice to not be outside. So we're gonna do the pool for quite a few hours. I think I'm only babysitting till 6. Alright, so I am en route to babysit. Luckily the girls I sit live right in my neighborhood, so it's like a 2-minute drive. Alright, so I am home now. It's about 6:20. The pool was so nice, and then the girls were pretty good. Started fighting a little bit near the end, but I'm just like really tired from the sun and babysitting, I think. So I am going to just kind of relax. I think I'm going to start editing this video. I also might add an intro to the video that I'm posting tomorrow. It's a get unready with me, and I was planning on, like, I have an intro and like I thought out an intro that I was gonna put before like the talking intro, but then I totally forgot about it and I finished editing the video and uploaded it, and then I remembered last night, so I might add that. I don't know. Also, I'm wearing my new shirt. I love it. It's so comfortable. It's actually, I could probably wear it as a dress because it's so big, but it's soft and I love it. Alright, so my dad and I are about to head downtown.